विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. आप वुमन्स फ्रंट एल्डर्स दिसाच्या निमतान वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी आयोजीत करपाची आसात.
We have started off this particular dialogue leading up to the 1st of October, which is World Elders Day. And what we have noticed through our various door-to-doors in the north and in the south, that there are a lot of elders who have been marginalized by either community, by their own people, family members, so on and so forth. Now we've gone through extensive studies of the law, and some of us are still studying the law. We've actually put it forth to our legal panel. And we found out that the government has provided an umbrella of rights for our senior citizens to be cared for by the government. A would be setting up of welfare homes by the state. B would be checking the people in the area, in the district, by the police cell. So there are so many things that the government itself has provided under the law. So we have found that there are a lot of people who are actually suffering in Goa, senior citizens, and since they are the backbone of our society, since the senior citizens, now we have nearly around 30-35% senior citizens past the age, relatively speaking, statistics not proven, past the age of 60-65, and at some point in time, I guess we all will grow old. So it's our turn, we feel as women in the women front, vouching for the senior citizens, to put in play a proper charter of guidelines. That way we can put it to the government to actually bring forth a better system in play for the people of Goa. Now to that effect, we're going to have a series of dialogues. In the south, we have a schedule from the 12th to 17th. In the north, we'll be having a similar kind of schedule of events. So we're actually going to put it to the general public that we invite a proper dialogue. What people face. We have counselors on board with us, psychiatrists on board with us. Also, if you see, if they're living by themselves, there's no one to help them. And I think in wards and in smaller communities, there can be some sort of a cell that is provided by the people. So we are actually focused on placing these SOPs in place and encouraging the government to live up to the demands of that is set by the law. This particular Women's Front is a little bit more proactive, and we will see to it that there will be regular checks. Whether we institute a cell or whether we actually follow up personally with the government, that will be on the onus on us.
आप पक्ष राज्यात चलपी दर एका गजाली कडेन गांभीर्यान लक्ष घालतले म्हण आप वुमन्स फ्रंटाची अध्यक्ष आयोना फर्नांडीस उलयला. RDX Goa ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Okay, there are a couple of other things we like to discuss. That we have started a toilet issue. 20% of the houses in Goa don't have toilets, and that's an alarming percentage, because that's the basic thing for every household. So we actually started a lot of groundwork of these toilet issue. We've checked up a lot of the thing in the south especially, and we found out that in collusion with the government, if we actually assist the people, we ask them to come forth to us with our assistance and with the help of the government, whatever schemes available, we'll be able to force this issue and make sure that the entire households all across Goa have actually a basic toilet facility. There is also the issue which we were widely discussing about the GST on sanitary napkins. Now, although everyone sometimes smiles about that, it's not a smiling, it's quite serious. This is an essential commodity for every woman. And I feel that, we personally feel that reduction of tax from 14.5% to 12%, it's not enjoyable to us. There should be no tax on these essentials, which are mandatory for every woman, and it's a continuous thing. So we are going to press upon that issue. A signature campaign will be is already initiated, and we've got a couple of and I think 2,000 odd signatures. So we're going to go extensively on that, and we're going to see that the state government can, under certain articles, exempt this state from charging GST to its people. So I think we will do everything that we can in our power to make sure that the government gives us the rights under the law for the people of Goa. We like to know, after the bypolls from Panjim and Valpur bypolls, what action has the government taken for this for the drugs issue? So one by one, the Women's Front of Goa, we will be tackling various issues across the state, and we will see that they will be brought to some sort of a satisfactory conclusion across the state.